Alright, I have a 2015 Dodge Caravan in the shop today. We're doing some cooling system work to it, but we're also replacing the AC condenser because of fin damage along the front of the tubes. Okay, so this is the condenser out of the vehicle, and down here along the bottom, all these tubes have been peppered with rocks and debris. They're all folded over so they're not flowing air. So we're replacing the condenser with a new factory condenser. The factory condenser from here to here are all the tubes that flow fluid for the AC system. In this radiator there's 45 rows. This is an aftermarket, and these rows are spaced wider on this radiator, or this condenser, and it only has 41 rows of tubes. So that's a decrease in size, which is going to cause a problem with the efficiency of the AC. This is a reason why we advocate, when we're doing AC work here in Arizona, is that a factory condenser is the best way to go, because it's going to match the performance that the vehicle had when it came out of the factory.